Thinking about installing aluminium fencing in Sydney but not sure how much it'll cost? Prices can vary a lot, and if you're not careful, going cheap could actually cost you more long term. In this video, we'll break down what affects the cost and how to avoid expensive mistakes. So what affects the price? Well, it comes down to a few key factors: fence length, style and design, and the type of finish. Simple flat top panels are more affordable, while slat fencing or custom designs require more material and labor. Powder coating is usually included, but custom colors can add to the cost. Height also plays a big role. A standard front fence might be 1,200 mm, while privacy fencing can go up to 1,800 mm or more. The taller the fence, the higher the cost. Then there are gates, from simple pedestrian gates to fully automated driveway gates. Automation adds convenience, but also increases your budget. Installation isn't always straightforward. Sloped land, rocky ground or limited access can all increase labor costs. Even the way posts are installed, like core drilling into concrete, can impact the final price. Here's where many people get caught out. Cheap fencing often means lower quality materials, poor coating, or bad installation. That can lead to fading, damage, or repairs much sooner than expected. Spending a bit more upfront can save you a lot over time. If you're planning aluminium fencing in Sydney's eastern suburbs and want expert advice tailored to your property, we can help. Get in touch with Aluminium Fencing Sydney for a quote or to explore your options. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos for more practical tips.